So today we're going to show you how to use the warranty seal, which is a way of locking the bolts in place and making sure that the bolts don't work themselves out, and you have an idea of where the setting of the bolt to make sure that it's torqued correctly. So what I usually do is I like to clean the area around the torque seal, get all this dust and dirt off, and then I'll take a moment to re-torque the nuts tight because I think they're loose and making noise. A little bit loose, a little bit loose, a lot loose. And once they've been torqued down, you want to take your torque seal, your warranty torque seal. You can see it right here. Your warranty torque seal. You have to shake well, right? Got to give it a good shake. It thickens it up a little bit. And then just put a little dab here on each bolt where it meets the frame or whatever your application is. This way you'll be able to know if it's moving, if maybe the bolt and the threads are stripped. But it's just one safety way of making sure that the bolts prevent tampering. They don't work their way out. And it's a great way of protecting and keeping knowledge of how the bolts are torquing in or torquing out over time, especially with the old cars. This particular car is a 2011 Volvo. It's got about 220,000 miles on it. So it seems like things are always shaking and working their way out. But the warranty seal, torque seal, I think is a great way that I find that's easy to use. And it's a way of making sure, again, that the nuts don't work themselves out and that I know exactly what's going on with their position over time. I think this is a great product.